I've got the Amazon Echo Sub paired with my Generation 2 Alexa. It's bigger and heavier than I expected. The bass sound is good. The setup was easy, although getting it connected was easy. It failed out on the first attempt. It played for about 30 seconds, then the subwoofer stopped. Then I had to go through the setup process again. It says you have to be on the same network, and they were. And then I was getting an error message saying they're not on the same network. So I switched that one back over to a second network I have, made sure they're both on the same one, and then I was getting another error message saying that discovery error. So it took me 4 times to finally get it connected. Now it seems to be working well. Alexa, play the Joker.
Playing the Joker from your library on Amazon Music.
Pretty darn good sound. There's a little bit more of a delay than normal with her. It's inconsistent. Sometimes it's several seconds longer. Right now it worked pretty well. So hopefully these are just day one little hiccups. But it's bigger and heavier than I thought, and pretty happy. Makes me want to get a second Echo to get that stereo sound.